2 on quick things you can do to try and help neck pain. So this is a Chinese medicine acupuncture point. This is one of the extra points. It's not a normal one on the channels. There's a bunch of these. I'll put the name and numbering system of how to find it in the show notes so you can check it out yourself. But it's pretty easy to find. You take your knuckles. You want to go between your index finger and your middle finger. And you go right between those two knuckles just below. This is sort of an image thing. If you just imagine your knuckle as kind of like your skull or your head, and you go just below the head, just below your skull, right there, that's the neck. And you try and hold that point, you massage that point a little bit, and while you're doing that, you're going to gently move your head around and try and find where that tension is. You want to go to the edge of comfort. You don't need to go into a point of pain here. You try and find that like just edge where it's starting to get uncomfortable, and then you explore that area. You hold this point and you explore that motion gently. You'll maybe feel this point get more fuller, maybe less full. You can just kind of work your way through it and release some of the tension in there. And if it's lower neck, you might need to move down a little bit. If it actually gets into your back, you can move down a little bit more, and you go all the way to nearly your wrist here, and that actually gets to the lower back. There, people will typically incorporate between the pinky and ring finger, in between those two knuckles and bones. They'll do both of these at once, but you can just work this side. You can work up and down your whole spine. You do the same side that the pain is on. So if the pain is on this side, you hold this hand. If it's on this side, you hold this hand. You can try the other hand. Try them both, especially oftentimes pain is just kind of both sides. Give it a shot, see if it helps.